It's definitely an Airbnb type of property. If you buy it like this is pretty much turnkey. They already have 5-star reviews on their Airbnb profile. Welcome to MREI, Medellin Real Estate Investments. My name is Andrew, and I've been living in Colombia since 2010. Over the years, I've helped people just like yourself buy their dream apartments. I've even bought 5 myself, and I've got a couple on Airbnb. On this channel, we show you the best properties Medellin has to offer. So let's get on to today's apartment, which is located in El Poblado. As we open the door, you can see that it's apartment 202, so it's on the 2nd floor. As soon as you walk in, the first thing that strikes me in the face is this beautiful decor. This is a pretty unique apartment because the owner is selling the apartment, including all of this art. This art is locally made. A lot of it is one of a kind. As you can see right there on the living room wall, there's a silleta, which is a flower arrangement that they do here during the flower festival in August. So you can tell this is a one of a kind apartment. As I turn around here to the kitchen, you could see that the fixtures are pretty new. It's not like it's an old kitchen. Even the countertop is scratchless. You'll also notice that the stovetop is new, and also the oven, which is something that is not so common in Colombia to find an oven in these older apartments. On top of everything, there's a dishwasher, which is even more rare, so that's a plus. As we keep walking into the kitchen, as you go to the end, this is where the washroom is, where you can store all of your cleaning supplies, and also where you can put your washer and dryer. As you can see, this place only had a washer. If you're not familiar with Colombia, they have the stackable washer dryers, and also there are the washer dryer combo, which is one big machine that acts as 2, so that could easily fit in here. So we're walking out of the kitchen here. One thing to note that since this is an older building, the requirements for knocking walls down are more relaxed. Obviously, if you're interested in this apartment, we'd have to check the blueprints and also the homeowners association to see what the rules are for knocking down walls. All right, so this is the dining area, and the living room is right next to it, so it's all open, which is great. They've got this little California or American style bar. That's what they call it here, American bar, with a couple of high chairs, and this is the living room. Really nicely decorated. It's definitely an Airbnb type of property. If you buy it like this is pretty much turnkey. They already have 5-star reviews on their Airbnb profile. This is the balcony, and there's a little creek that runs through the back of there, so it's very lush out here. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. The noise level is very, very, very low. I mean, it's just nature, basically. All right, as we're going into the area where the bedrooms are, there's a little hallway here. One thing that I did notice is that they didn't have very good wire management. If I were the investor here, I would probably clean some of this stuff up, like making sure to put the router somewhere else, hide the wires, etc. So as we turn here, we go into the first bathroom, which is the shared bathroom. Again, there's not much remodeling to be done here. It looks beautiful. All new fixtures, even the toilet is custom made. Going into the bedroom without the bathroom, as you can see, this is a queen size bed that fits in there, a little desk. It's got this armoire basically there, and as you can see, the fan on the left-hand side on the top of the screen. You might want to invest in air conditioning. There is no air conditioning in here. Medellin does get humid. That's why these plants are so green and so beautiful, is because it's humid. So you're going to want to put an air conditioning unit in there, probably. They get 5-star reviews without the air conditioning. Imagine if you had air conditioning in here. The bed is custom made. It's like a bamboo bed. It's so amazingly beautiful. Another thing that I noticed right away is that they have sliding doors, and this is a very smart move by the owner that is selling this because it saves a lot of room. Okay, so we're leaving that room and going into the next room next door. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but they have this extra bedroom here, and it's used as an office. It could be used as a bedroom or an office. I think it's probably best as an office because it is pretty narrow, but it's a great area to put a desk like they did here, and or maybe like a movie room or something like that. This one doesn't have a sliding door. Now, as we turn it into the master bedroom, this one does have the sliding door. Another queen size bed there with a desk at the end there. This one also looks over the same area as the balcony in the living room. One of my favorite things about this one is this lamp or this light coming off the roof there. It's so awesome. You can tell that all this stuff was handmade. And then going into the in-suite bathroom with the sliding door. Again, everything here is pretty much custom made for this apartment. Even the toilet, the floating shelves, the double sink, And the double shower, as you can see, there are 2 waterfall shower heads on there. So again, not a lot of remodeling to be done here, maybe just a couple of fixes here and there, or anything that you'd like to upgrade, etc. Here we're heading back into the living room, and I could see turning this over and over and over on Airbnb, or living in it and having this little slice of heaven in your pocket. Now, this property or a similar property like this could be yours, so make sure to click on the link that's in the description to our form. Fill that out, and then someone on our team will get back to you so that we can schedule a call. All right, so now let's check out the surrounding area. This one is located in a neighborhood called Alejandria. This is the map of Medellin. If we scroll down and go to the south, right in El Poblado, just south of Calle 10, where all of the touristy stuff and restaurants and discos are, you'll find the neighborhood of Alejandria. So the location is prime, especially if this is going to be an investment for both appreciation and cash flow through Airbnbs. This right here, outlined in red, is the Alejandria neighborhood. As you can see, it's very close to Avenida Poblado down here. And you'll notice that the first thing that we see here is the shopping mall La Estrada. So walking distance, you have a little shopping mall there. You also have Catronics electronics store. You are also walking distance from the Santa Fe Mall that has the gym, that has a grocery store. So you've got a few things walking distance. Also, if you've got a car, you've got easy access in and out through that major street of 43A, which is Avenida Poblado. A couple of other interesting things about this location is that it's close to Club Campestre, which is where the golf course is. If you wanted to become a member of that club and play golf, you could do that as well. As I mentioned, it's very close to all the restaurants, all the nightlife that goes on in El Poblado, but it's far enough away that you're not going to hear any of that. The noise level is very, very low. It's basically a 1 or a 0. Now, if you want to keep this going and see more properties, make sure to check out this video right here.